Today our topic is about Python. So what is a Python? It is a computer language. Python is a computer language. So how humans use different types of languages like English, Telugu, Hindi, Tamil, etc. to communicate. We use these different types of language to communicate with other peoples or to communicate with others. We use these languages in such a way. Computer also have languages like C, C++, Java and Python. So now our topic is about Python. So Python is a popular one, the most widely used programming language. Nowadays, Python is the most widely used programming language. It was created by Gallo 1000 in the year of 1991, and the further modifications was developed by Python Software Foundation. When comparing to the previous languages, that is C, C++, Java, Python is very simple and easy language when compared to this. In C and C++, we have to start with hash, include and main braces we have to use. But coming to Python, it is very easy and simple language. So now our foremost thing in Python is features. What are the features in Python? Let's discuss about features of Python. What are the features of Python? It is easy and simple and open source, freeware, and it is a high level programming language. Python highly independent platform. And it is both procedure and object oriented and also interpreted programming language. It is extensible library. Features of Python. The first one is open source. Second one, readable. Free. Cross-platform. Memory management. Exception handling. Standard library. Easy to learn. So these are the main features of Python. So this is open source, readable, free, standard library, easy to learn, exception handler, memory management, cross-platform. Coming to open source, it can be open or it can be downloaded at anywhere. We don't need to buy this program.